since I've vlogged. Parang 2 or 3 years since then. And I'm back, I guess. I don't know if I can say that I'm really back. But hey everyone, welcome to another video. I'm gonna do my night skincare routine while I do this intro, or just a little life update for me, because it's been a while, like a long while. It's been a hot minute since I've vlogged. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging the week in my life for this week, since ito na yung pinaka, or I can say busiest week or maraming ganap na week ko. I don't know. I just felt like it's gonna be a more interesting week for me this week. Yeah, a little quick life update lang para lang you guys are caught up with everything. Last nyo ako nakita, probably I was in second year college pa in nursing, and now she got a job, graduated, got a job, and I don't know what else is new. I think those are the big ones. Feel ko the biggest difference lang is I kind of miss studying in a cafe and having the time with my friends, because now parang it's so hard to schedule a meetup. So this week we're gonna be meeting with our friends from college, and I'm really excited about that because it's been a while since sleepover. So we're gonna be doing a sleepover. So tomorrow I'm gonna be going on a run around UP. It has become my goal to do any type of movement every day. So tomorrow we're gonna be going on a run, and then I'm gonna be having my color changed again. As you can see, it's kind of on the ginger orangey side. So I wanted a bit darker lang siya, ng konting-onte. I'm gonna be getting my nails removed kasi naputol to. Like, I usually get them every month, yung bayad nila. But naputol siya. So these are my natural nails. So I'll let it rest muna. That's all for now, and that's my little quick life update. So yeah, welcome back to me. It's running time. Okay, hey guys, so just an update. We just finished running. We did 5 km, parang 2 rounds, and then now we're just gonna be eating breakfast because we haven't had our breakfast pa. So yeah, here at Rodriguez Rosalie's. We're on the way para magpa-color ng hair around here lang din, and nagpapagas lang kami right now because we need it. And also I'm thinking of getting cocoa kasi sobrang init ngayon, grabe, like super init. And then yan, so I'll see you guys later when nasa salon na ako. Yay, I'm excited. Patchy hair no more. Thank you po. My new French fries. This is my new fries. I'm so hungry na, my gosh. Okay. I love the sauce. Yay! This is Hawaiian and the xoxo. Guys. Okay. Big bite for the big bags. Sarap ng pineapple. Compliments.
Everything with
So, an update guys. We're moving out tomorrow. Starting tomorrow. So, this is the situation. So, kalat. But yeah, I haven't updated because we've been busy packing up. So, yeah. Hey everyone. So, just a quick update of today's packing. I'm done dito sa room ko, but there's still a lot to pack pa around the house. And then later, mga around 5 or 6, because it's currently mga 4. What time is it now?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock? 4:08. Basta yun. Mga 5 or 6 p.m. we'll be visiting na yung house na lilipatan namin. And hopefully we can start moving out na ng tomorrow till Thursday. Kasi until Thursday na lang kami here. So, now we're still on the process of packing. Kaya ganito na yung itsura ko. But, yeah. So, yeah. That's our quick update for today. Okay, so failed to get a lip liner that I want, but got a book, so that's also fine. Now it's just time to go back. I'm so shy, guys. I'll be better at vlogging. I'm just really shy right now. Okay, BRB. I'm so empty now. Hi everyone, welcome to this Sunday morning. Sunday na today. I haven't updated you since in a while. I've been really busy moving in. Di na ako nakasama sa overnight because I've been busy and I have work. So then, let's make matcha. So as I was saying, we moved in here 2 days ago pa lang. So a lot of things need to be unpacked pa because I have work, so I can't really do much around the house. And yeah, so let's make matcha. So I'm gonna be trying this one from Sobamatsu. I saw this first on TikTok. Sabi nila, it's good quality daw siya for its price. So let's see. I haven't had matcha in a while kasi nga naubusan ako ng matcha. I don't know. Does it look promising? Yeah guys, I just forgot to mention that I'm sleeping sa sala because I need my room to be repainted, yung tiles to be removed, and a lot more. So sa sala ko for now nagsisleep. Hindi ko pa rin nasala. But yeah. So supposedly, dapat today dadating yung gagawa kasi I have work. ng 9:30, 10:30. Pero wala sila, so I don't know what to do. Guys. So yeah, that's the another thing pala. I want strawberry matcha, pero I don't know if I can taste yung pinaka-quality ng matcha with strawberry matcha. But I really want strawberry matcha, so we're gonna make strawberry matcha. I've been craving matcha, guys. Then put the ice. So if you also put salt in your drink, I put nice. Color looks nice. Yep. And then don't waste matcha. Okay, let's do a taste test for matcha. Looks really good. Looks promising. And guys, if you're looking for a tumbler that is spill-proof and naglalast yung cold, this one is from Chilta. Okay, I'm gonna show you it's spill-proof. Wait lang. I told you. Just have to mix it for the strawberry. Okay, for the matcha, wait lang. I love the matcha. Wala siyang bitterness. Wala siyang bitterness. It's umami. What? Oh my gosh, this is named after their three cats. Soba, Maki, and Katsu. Oh, it's so cute. It has that umami flavor to it, which I like personally. So I give this one, I think this is the best one I've tasted na matcha. I've tried yung Hanako and another brand. I haven't tried the mga Japanese ones that were popular. Guys, I haven't had matcha and I like my matcha. Guys, nag-order ako ng matcha sa SP. Got disappointed. Ordered matcha from around UP. Got disappointed. Oh, I always go back to my matcha. I love it.